Hey, in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of setting up your development environment. So we'll cover the following topics. I'll discuss the required software, and we'll also go through the high-level steps. Alright, so one prerequisite is that you must have the Java Development Kit installed. That's the JDK, not the JRE, but the JDK. Now, in regards to the required software to build these web applications, you need to have the following. You need to have a Java app server and an IDE. Now, regarding the Java app server, there's a lot of different options like Glassfish, JBoss, WebLogic, and so on. But we're going to keep it simple and make use of the Tomcat server. Next, for the IDE, again, a lot of different options, and we'll simply focus on using the Eclipse IDE. Now, what I'll do is I'll actually break these videos up. So I'll have a separate video installing the Tomcat Java app server, and then I'll have a separate video on installing the Eclipse IDE. All right, so this wraps up the video. We covered the required software. We also discussed the high-level steps. So let's go ahead in the following videos. We'll actually go through and install our Java app server, and we'll install the Eclipse IDE. All right, I'll see you in the next video.